everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will talk about Apple Pencil Eraser not working. Easy solution explained. Number one, verify app compatibility. Ensure the app supports the eraser function of the Apple Pencil. Test the eraser function in native apps like Notes. If it works in Notes but not in a third party app, the issue is likely app specific. Check the app documentation to confirm eraser functionality. Number two, check Apple Pencil setting. Confirm the reset tool is correctly configured. Go to setting Apple Pencil. If use a second generation Apple Pencil, ensure the double tap action is set to switch to the eraser of your preferred tool. Disable any draw with Apple Pencil if touch input is required. Number three, inspect the Apple Pencil tip. Ensure the tip is secure and in good condition. Tighten the tip by rotating it clockwise until it's secure. Inspect for wear or damage on the tip. Clean the tip with a soft, dry cloth to remove debris. Replace the tip if it's worn and damaged. Number 4. Reconnect your Apple Pencil. Repair the Apple Pencil to your iPad to resolve connection issues. Go to Setting, Bluetooth. Tap the eye icon next to your Apple Pencil and select Forget this device. Reattach the Apple Pencil to the iPad to initiate pairing. Follow the one screen prompt to reconnect. Number 5. Restart your iPad. Reboot the iPad to resolve potential software glitches. Press and hold the top button until the power off slider appears. Slide to power off the iPad. Wait a few seconds, then press and hold the top button to restart. Test the eraser function after restarting. Number 6. Update iPad OS and apps. Ensure your iPad's operating system and apps are up to date. Go to Setting, Journal Software Update, download and install any available updates. Check for app updates in the App Store and update the app you're using. Number 7. Check for interference. Remove any obstruction affecting the Apple Pencil. Remove any screen protector or cases that might interfere with the Apple Pencil. Ensure your hand or other objects are not advertently touching the screen. Number 8, test in other apps. Determine if the issue is specific to an app. Open the Notes app and test the eraser function. If the eraser works in Notes but not in other apps, the issue may be specific to those apps. If it doesn't work in Notes, the issue may lie with the pencil or iPad. Number 9, reset app setting. Reset or adjust setting in the app where the eraser isn't working. Open the app setting and look for brush or eraser configuration option. Reset the default setting if the eraser function is not responding. Number 10. Contact Apple support. Seek professional help for unresolved hardware or software issues. Visit the Apple website. Schedule an appointment at an Apple store or authorized service provider. Provide detail about the steps you have already tried. Be prepared to have your Apple Pencil and iPad inspected. Thanks for watching.